Hey everyone, welcome to Schemasmart. Schemasmart is a simple Jira automation tool that helps you instantly parse all your Jira tasks using just your PRD, converting it into a fully mapped backlogs in just a couple of minutes. Let's start with a quick reality check. A small calculation to understand how much time and money teams waste just putting tasks to Jira. Imagine you have a team of 5 members, each spend about 7 hours a week manually adding tasks, and you're paying them roughly $50 an hour. If you do the math, you're losing somewhere around $84,000 just for someone to enter tasks. It's a total drain on productivity and revenue. And that's exactly where Schemasmart comes in. It's designed to eliminate this repetitive effort completely. So let's dive in. Click on Get Started. You can either sign up or sign in. I already have an account, so I'll just go ahead and sign in with my credentials. And I'm making this walkthrough because I know some of you might not have a Jira account yet, and this demo will help you to understand how to set things up from scratch, what to do, what not to do, and things like that. So let's just proceed. Once you're inside, click on that Create Project. Now the project is created by adding your project name. I'm just putting Shebuilds over here. This step is very crucial. We are going to connect our Jira instance to Schemasmart. First, you have to go to Jira and create a new Scrum project, company managed or team managed, however you like, and name it whatever you want. So I'm proceeding with Shebuilds over here. Once the project is created, you will land on your board. You can skip the tour and click continue, then your board will be ready. So I'm not going to invite anyone over here. I'm just skipping everything. So as mentioned earlier, this is your board. And if you're unsure about your project key, here's how to find it. Go to your backlog, then create a test tasks. You'll notice an alphanumeric prefix once the task is created. In this case, it's SHEB1. That SHEB is your project key. Now, in Schemasmart, you need to enter your Jira domain, followed by the project key SHEB, and then your Jira associated email ID. So this is my instance, so I am entering the same email ID I used to log in. Now, you'll need to create an API token. Sometimes Jira will ask you to verify your identity through an OTP. That's fine. Just follow steps. So click on Create API Token. Name it for reference. Just call it Shebuilds. And then copy the token and paste it into Schemasmart. Now click on Connect to Jira. Schemasmart will now link directly to your project and automatically fetch the users associated with it. This matters because when your tasks are passed, Schemasmart can auto-assign them to the right people, to your front-end developer, to your back-end developer, etc. For example, here, I'll just assign Ashwin to the front-end guy and Joel as the back-end person. If you want to review or edit your field mappings, you can also do that here too. Once everything looks good, click Continue for approval. Here, you'll see 2 modes, high-level breakdown and detailed breakdown. Let's choose detailed breakdown, and for this example, we'll parse a module for sign-in using email and phone with OTP. Once you're done, click on Save and Continue. Our AI engine, Gemini, will now parse your PRD and create your Jira-ready task. Since we chose detailed breakdown, it may take a few moments to process. Once the parsing is complete, you will see all the generated tasks with story types, story points, assignee details, etc. You can add or edit any item from here, adjust priorities, or update the assignees. When everything looks good, click Continue to Mapping. This stage lets you modify acceptance criteria, descriptions, or attach supporting documents like PDFs, Word files, Excel sheets, or even images. Once you're done, proceed to preview. You'll now see a final list of all the tasks ready for export. Once you're okay with it, click on Confirm and Export. Schemasmart will run a self-test validation to check if all the fields like description, mapping, and assignee are complete. Warnings are fine, you can omit them, but if something shows as failed, you'll need to fix it before pushing. So just keep an eye for that. Once validated, click Push to Jira. And just like that, 47 items are now live in your Jira project. Wait for some time and you can see it. Once you close this, you will be able to see your push history right here or open any task directly in Jira. You'll find everything neatly structured with epics, child tasks, acceptance criteria, assignees already. So I'm just opening a URL so you can just see it for yourselves. So this is an epic. You can see the description, acceptance criteria, the child task associated with it, and the people who are assigned to it. So now back in Schemasmart, you will also be able to see the card view of the history. Now let's say you have another module to add. Click on Upload Module and you can choose again between high level or detailed breakdown, and you can also choose a hierarchy, whether it's epic, story, task, subtask. So I'm picking high level and add a module for social sign-in. Once done, click on Upload and Parse. So let's say in between you wanted to change the breakdown detail level, you can just do that if you want to. Our AI will scan the module. If you accidentally uploaded a duplicate, Schemasmart will definitely detect it and notify you automatically. Once parsing is complete, you'll see the hierarchy again, story at the top, followed by task. Click Continue to Mapping, then click Confirm and Export like before. After validating, just push them to Jira. So the warning signs are fine, as we discussed. So now we are pushing it. It has been pushed. The new items are now live. You can open them in Jira anytime. For instance, let's check the final one. Oops, I followed the first one. Let's go back and check the final one. Integrate Facebook sign-in. Yep. It's right there with all relevant details and assignee info intact. So yeah, that's pretty much it.